Recently, I've got this SR71 Blackbird in a 1/200 scale from the brand Herpa. Let's have a look at the package. Here we got a nice picture when an SR71 Blackbird is landing. Brake parachute, and we can see it's a limited edition. That is what we like. In the front we can open the package and we can already have a look at the model. And there is some text with some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Now let's close the front and open the box. I speed it up just a little bit because I had trouble with getting the plastic out of the package. There we go. We can see it's very well protected. And there is even some plastic on top of the plane to avoid scratches. There are also some spare parts, 2 cockpit doors. Now let's remove the plastic. Be careful. Plane comes out very easy. Thank you very much for that, Herpa. And we can see that the landing gear is out. It's not possible to put the landing gear up. You can see there is some oil on the plane. It's not glue. You can easily remove that with a bit of paper or even with your fingers. Yes, I think you can open the cockpit, but I'm not going to try that. I've learned from my mistakes, but you can try it if you want. This SR71 is made completely out of die cast, feels heavy and is looking fantastic. Are there any downsides? Well, it doesn't come with a display stand and the landing gear is out. But I have to say, Herpa, thank you very much for making this model. I love it. Is there anything else we can do? Well, we compare this SR71 Blackbird in a 1/200 scale with other planes in the same scale. For example, this F-14 Tomcat. And how about a space shuttle, also in a 1/200 scale? And what do you think about this giant? Yes, it's a 1/200 scale. The Antonov A225. What a giant. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, you really help me with that, and have a very good day. More aviation models are coming.